Shaka, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today because I've got some boo mail. I sent out some boo mail. I was not expecting to receive any boo mail, so thank you very much. This is from Veronica Christie. She's here on YouTube. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. I did cut it open so that I could get it out. Girl, what is this? Oh, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing. Joining me on this crafty journey, hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And wow, she sent me some beads and oh look. Oh, I love it. Look at these chunky beads. Oh, they're so cute. Look, they have the villains on them. Oh, let me take it out. Oh, how cute. So we got Cruella. That one's Cruella. Sorry, my dog. There's also the Evil Queen. Right there. And then I love these other chunky beads. And then there's a few more. There is this Ursula? I think this is Ursula. Takes a little while to zoom in. This is Maleficent. Oh, thank you. And look at this scrunchie with the mini bow ears. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Okay, and then, wow, look at this. What is in here? So there's a cute little lace pouch. Oh my chunkiness. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, girl, I love this tassel, how chunky it is. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Look at all of this fun trim for days up in here. Oh, thank you so much, Veronica. And then she used the beads that she gifted me as well. Love it. And look at this charm. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for thinking of me. Thank you so much. So, hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.